apple cider, but you have me smelling like fruit punch, and I don't even like you that much. Wait, I do. Fuck. Call.
Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Fidyasha Fitri, ID number student 192507222. So your opinion about the new President Prabowo? This is when I'm talking my opinion about new President Prabowo. Since the past year, the new president has been talking about more because of its interesting information transformation from time to time. Almost all Indonesia millennials know very well how Prabowo past was. Currently, as we all see, Prabowo has changed a lot for the better. Of course, many people think that the king is the figure of Prabowo is only to win the hearts of the people, right? Because the run for president and previously here is violent. In my opinion, the king is not due to elements of political starting, but in them for better personal growth in the future. And of course, I hope the king the will will be implemented to lead and root in Indonesia in the time of division. I think my opinion, he has to work even hard to prove the he has Indian king and is not the same as he was in the past. If he can from the end can make Indonesia even more advanced, surely all Indonesia people will build in his leadership now. This is my opinion, just my opinion for the President of Indonesia. If there are any wrong words, please forgive me and thank you very much. Bye bye. The question word. What that question word? Question word, what we call WA question are interrogative or use the from question in English. Those that sound familiar. That's why WA question are what you usually call 5 WA plus 1 8. In Indonesia, they help you get the information we need in conversation or waiting for exam. The word what used to ask about something that does not have a specific shape or characteristics in can refer to object, things, action, or abstract connectors. Example for tense. 1. What is your favorite color? This question finds out a present favorite color. 2. What time is it? It asks about the correct time. 3. What did you eat for breakfast? This question word to know what someone ate for breakfast. Function of question word. What is the function of WA question? WS question are used to ask for information to which the other person must provide a clear answer. In English, the are also known as open question. What include question word? For question word, we can divide the following categories: who, what, when, where, why, and of course how. How it is 5W plus 1A. However, apart from what we mentioned about the art answer addiction, namely which, who, than whom. 1. Who. Who is question word is English the are used for X from the intensity of a present activity or particular context or function to help you identify relevant people or subject in context. Example 1. Who is her? 2. Who are you present? 3. Who is the woman? 2. What is a question word in English that is used to ask about object, activities or context the as in event. Example 1. What time is it? 2. What day is it? 3. What are your hobby? 3. When is question word in English which is used to ask about the time or period of time in which an event occurs and help us to using the sequence of schedule of an event. Example 1. When is your birthday? 2. When does the movie start? 3. When do the story close? 4. Where is a question word in English which is used to ask about the location or place where an event occurs in a confirmation or situation. Example 1. Where are my kids? 2. Where do you work? 3. Where do your family live? 5. Why? This word is used to ask the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. Example 1. Why did you come to party? 2. Why are you late? 3. Why are you crying? 6. Which is a question word in English that helps us cause between several opinions. Example 1. Which book are you reading right now? 2. Which movie did you watch last night? 7. Whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom help you determine the relative between the subject and object in a sentence. Example 1. To whom did you give the present? 2. Whom do you trust the most? 3. Whom are you waiting from? What are you waiting for? 8. Whose is a question word in English which is used to ask about ownership or who own a particular object or thing. Example 1. Who book is this? 2. Who car is parked outside? 9. How. How is a question word in English which is used to ask about the method or process of how an event or action is carried out. Example 1. How do you bake a cake? 2. How did you learn to read a book? 3. How did you get the airport? How to form question verb. WA question with auxiliary verb. WA mean plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have plus subject plus main verb. Example: when are you leaving? Where do the live? What have the ticket? How to form question verb. WA question with modal verb. Word the include modal verb include can, call, will, works, shall, so, might, make, must, hurt. The formula. WA mean plus modal verb, mean plus subject plus main verb. Example: who would stay with? What shall I do? Why shall we read books? How to form question verb. Interrogative stand which you accurately or modal verb the formula so that WA itself has referred the subject position. The formula is WA mean plus main verb. Example: who won the game? Who was on right? Who bought this? Negative question verb. The example of the type of WA question about are positive affirmative. Of course, interrogative tense can also be negative. When asking negative WA question, we can use the auxiliary verb do when there is not other equality verb or no modal verb. Conjugation about question verb. Word like what, where, when, who, why, which, who, what, and how are used to form question in English to get specific information about things so as time, place, person, thing, direction, and way. These words are often also called WA question because most of them start with the letter WA plus and are very information in everyday communication. Thank you. Bye bye.